Hey guys, it's Dylan Self with JTech. Today we're going to do a full brake inspection and we're going to identify all the parts of our brake rotors. Alright, start. This is a disc caliper setup style brake. You got your actual caliper, that's the hydraulically controlled portion that actually does the braking. Inside you got your brake pads, you got one in the front, you got one in the back behind here next to the piston. You have your rotor itself, the big part that spins it, actually the caliper, and we'll clamp the pads onto to create the friction to make it come to a stop. Coming up to your caliper, you have a brake hose. The brake hose will then go up to a metal brake line that will run all the way up to the master cylinder and where it gets all the power from. Alright, on here we're going to take a couple measurements. We want to measure the thickness of the rotor. If you're doing a brake job, you always want to measure to make sure you can still use your rotor, or if you need to turn your rotor or replace your rotor. Alright, starting with that, we looked it up. The discard for this truck is 0.965 thousandths of an inch. So we get our caliper, set it to inches, make sure we zero it out, and pretty basic, just go measure the width of the rotor. We're getting 0.81. I'm going to kind of move around a little bit, make sure you're not getting in one solid spot. There's 810, another spot, there's 809. So discard was 965. This one's ready to get thrown away and replaced. From there, we're going to take our pad measuring tool. This will pretty much break it down. You're measuring the thickness of the pad. Green means you're good, yellow means you're getting ready to replace, and red means you get new pads on there immediately. These pads look pretty thick, so I'm going to start with my green. Measure. It still doesn't fit in there. Alright, let's see. Alright, it fits right in there. You want to make sure it fits in between the backing plate of the pad and the rotor itself. So this rotor has 8 millimeters or 315,000 of an inch. So pads are good, rotor needs replaced. Alright, it's been Dylan with JTech. Thanks.